Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So today I'm going to be talking about working from home and the reality of that, especially now in our internet age. So as you probably saw at the beginning, I'll start off with something like hot tea or coffee. Normally it's tea. And then I'll also have my notebook as well to jot down ideas and take notes. Of course, I have my laptop. And then for people who are a little bit more health conscious, I'll normally have a fruit and kale smoothie. Absolutely delicious. I highly recommend you try it. And then I kind of get my day going. Now for me specifically, I like to get up a little bit early, anywhere from 4 in the morning to 6 in the morning. Right now it's a little bit past 4 in the morning. And so the reason I do that is, at least for me, that is when I am most creative. That's why I have my notebook here, so I could jot down ideas. And it's also the time when I'm creating my content, for YouTube or any other platforms. This is my time to actually be creative. And then after that, I'll normally go do some type of exercise. It's pretty much every day. I always exercise early in the morning, and I think that's really good for you physically. But not only that, it kind of gets everything going whenever your body is in motion. And then around the 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. range, this is when I focus on my digital marketing work. This is when I'm doing client work. And those are like pretty much my normal daily schedule. And the reason I wanted to talk about there as a schedule is because it's very important that you need to set some type of schedule for yourself, especially if you're in a case where you actually have clients that you actually need to provide services to. Because whenever you are working from home, unlike a traditional job, you really have more control over your time. Whereas when you are in a job, your time is actually controlled by where you work, where you normally go in 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now here, even though you have more freedom, it's also very important that you need to create a schedule. Because if you don't, especially if you're providing services for clients, you're probably not going to be in business long. And even if you are a content creator, you still need to spend time to not only come up with ideas, but also create the content for your community. Because if you don't have content, then you're not going to be a content creator as well. And so whenever you are working from home, I highly recommend that you first figure out some type of schedule that works best for you and your business or the community that you're serving. And secondly, it's very important that you try to reduce distractions, because it is so easy when you're working from home to do things like watch TV, play video games, spend all your time watching YouTube videos like you are here, or watching Netflix. All of those things are distractions. Now, obviously, I love those things as well, but I really focus on doing the work, doing my creative work, doing my digital marketing work, serving my clients. Because at the end of the day, if you want to continue working from home, living this internet lifestyle, then you're going to have to learn to really be disciplined and be very productive, probably even more so than when you're at a normal job. And so those are my thoughts on working from home in our digital age and the reality of actually doing that. As long as you just follow those steps, create a schedule, focus on being productive, I think you could have a great time working from home. And you could do this in your shorts, which is pretty awesome. And so that is it for my thoughts on working from home. If you actually had any thoughts on this, whether you are working from home right now on the internet, or maybe you're thinking about doing that, be sure to leave it in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my entire YouTube journey or my digital marketing stuff, I will also leave the playlist in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.